In this video, we'll cover water filter cleaning and replacement for the Furrion Tankless water heater. The tools required to perform this procedure include a pair of needle nose pliers,
Before getting started, isolate your tankless water heater from any power running to the unit. Close the valves on your gas supply running into your RV and at the water heater before disconnecting it from its gas lines. Also, close any water supply running to the heater. This may mean disconnecting your RV from your city's water supply, or closing a main water valve, which may be somewhere inside of or underneath your coach.
From the exterior of the coach, begin by opening the door and setting it aside. Remove the baffle from the unit housing and set it aside. Using your needle nose pliers, unscrew the water filter from the appliance. With the water filter removed, it can now be cleaned or replaced as needed. Screw the water filter back into the appliance and tighten it down using your needle nose pliers. Replace the baffle to the appliance housing. Reinstall the door and secure it in place with the latch.
Finishing up, restore power to your tankless water heater. Then supply it with gas and water per your RV's unique configuration. Then turn on the tankless water heater.